Alright, 2008 Jeep Liberty. See that? We're gonna do the oil pan gasket. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have to take this out. This one. This guy's right here. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna let you know now because maybe you're not gonna see it in this video. So, for your information, we're gonna have to remove the bolts of the engine mounts on each side. Okay, driver side and passenger side. Then you're gonna have to remove the bolt on the passenger side that hold the differential, the front differential. Alright, and then right there at the differential, it has a bracket. You're gonna have, it has 3 bolts. I believe it's 3 bolts if I remember well. You're gonna have to remove those 3 bolts so the differential is gonna drop, and you're gonna create a gap between the transmission and the bracket, okay, right below the oil pan. So you're gonna have a bigger gap after you do that, and you should be good to go. Alright, did I say you have to put a jack stand to push up the engine since you remove the engine mounts bolts? Yeah, do that too. Okay, you should be good to go. Alright, holla. Another thing, once you remove the bolts that hold the oil pan,
there's a big space.
Try to peel off the gasket from the oil pan just a little bit. Okay, you're gonna see like 2 bolts that hold the gasket. Okay, so if you're gonna try to remove the oil pan, once you remove the bolts that hold the oil pan, I'm saying it's not gonna happen because the gasket has 3 bolts holding it. Okay, so once you remove the bolts that hold the oil pan, crack open the gasket between the gasket and the oil pan. Okay, with a chisel or a long flat screwdriver or a pry bar. Okay, you'll see it in this video though. Try to do that, and then once you have enough space, once you crack it open, once you separate the gasket from the oil pan, you can see the bolts that hold the gasket into the lower part of the engine. Remove those 3 bolts, and then yeah, you should be good to go.
The gasket, how it looks like. The gasket is bolted to the. Yeah, there. You gotta break it loose. You think I saw the gasket? I saw the gasket.
Maybe if I loosen it.
have to drop this whole thing somehow.
Oh, for the filter?
Yeah.
I don't think we need that plastic.
No, we don't need that plastic for the filter.
Why don't we?
I'm gonna fix that line. Oh, there's the O-ring for that. Here, catch my hand first. Wait. Okay, tighten it. Okay, good.
Yeah, it's just starting it like, you know, just a little bit, and then a little.
Swivel? I think it looks like you.
Hmm? Huh?
It looks like you.
What? What, look like me?
That's well. These are soft. Oh no, it's not tight. I thought it was tight. Good thing you check it. Alright, the red plug is tight.
Ah, that's it.
Okay. So we're gonna lower it?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my god, now it's gonna pop in here. Oh, we can just lift up the car, right?
I'll try with this plastic though.
Oh, the plastic is fine because I think I put the differential back in place. Maybe you should tighten the differential first.
Yeah.
Let's see. You gotta hold it the 18. Go ahead because. Go ahead.
2008 Jeep Liberty. How to change the oil pan gasket. Shout outs to the followers, shout outs to the subscribers. See you in the next one. Jala Chupoya estuvo por un amauti.